Hello you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with a Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing, and this is obviously for November. I have done my lights to match it. I know somebody did ask for baby blue lights. I wouldn't really say this is baby blue. I have actually used the app on my phone to match it to the box. So yeah, this is my little blue light setup that I've got going on, and we're going to be unboxing this box. I do have a discount code. This was very kindly gifted to me from Look Fantastic as well, so thank you so much for gifting this to me. All my details will be down below, and also my link for you to buy through if you'd like to support my channel that little bit more. Then thank you so much. Yeah, let's just get straight into this month's box. So we have a nice dark blue box for this month, and as always we have our little brochure inside. It actually says on the back of it that it has like a little QR code for you to scan. It says to access the edition November, and yeah, I'm guessing it has like, yeah, it says hints, tips, product insights, ingredients and special sneak peeks. So I wonder if it's like a new thing that they're doing so that they're not having to like use more paper and stuff, which is really, really good. So let's go into the box. Like I said, I'll have all of my information down below if you want to save some pennies. But first up we have a mini macaroon. This is the moisturizing foot mask, and it has two little socks inside, and it's made in Korea. This is just what it looks like. So it just says, enjoy your little self-care at home with this moisturising foot mask, lavender scented and enriched with different leaf extracts. For tired, dry feet, you'll feel relaxed, refreshed and deeply hydrated. So yeah, it just says to put them on for 15 minutes and then you'll have nice soft feet. I'm excited to try that because my feet are manky. I'm not gonna lie. Next up we have a product from Balance Me. This is their BHA Exfoliate and Concentrate. This is a little 30ml one. This is just what she looks like. And what actually is this? So it's a salicylic acid rich concentrate. It's a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, more youthful looking complexion. So it basically just says to apply onto a beauty pad, gently wipe over, cleanse dry skin and avoiding the delicate eye area. That sounds really nice. And to be fair, it has literally everything that I would want targeting in my skin, so excited to try that. We also have a nourishing vitamin night cream. This is from the brand, I believe, I'm guessing it's going to be Comfort Zone. This is their Re-Night cream. It's again a 30ml one. It says it has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid in it, macadamia oil. It's meant to be an intense nighttime antioxidant action. It's meant to give the skin a nourished and regenerated look. It just says to apply on the evening, on its own, or after applying oil on the face, neck and decolletage, and then massage in until it's completely absorbed. So this is just what it looks like. I feel like it goes really well with this month's box just because of the colour of it, but hey ho, that's just me being weird. We also have this little one, so quite a lot of skincare, if I'm honest with you, in this box. So this one is, I'm not going to try and pronounce that, P-R-A-I? I don't know. This is their Throat and Decolletage cream. Throat is a bit of a weird name to have on that, but I guess that's what it is. This is a little 10ml one. Let's have a little sniff, see what it smells like. I can't open it. Nah, I can't open it to even smell it. Oh, but I've done it. Oh, it actually smells really nice. So obviously it's just a cream for you to put on your throat. I mean, wouldn't it make more sense to say neck? I guess it's a nicer word, like your neck and decolletage instead of throat. I don't know, maybe that's just me. And then the last two are the two things that got me excited the most, mainly because one is a mini and it's adorable and it's also makeup, and the other one is Molten Brown, and I love their shower gels so much. So this is the Diego Dalla Palma little water resistant eyebrow pencil. Oh, actually I thought it was going to be, this is actually tiny. I thought this was going to be a eyeliner. I didn't think it was going to be a brow pencil. That is just what it looks like. My camera is being so funny at the moment, not wanting to concentrate. It's driving me insane. But yeah, that is a little mini. Like, I actually nearly missed that was in the box. So if you get this box, make sure you check to see if you've got an eyeliner, because you might miss it as well. And then again, this also fits really nicely with the theme of this month's box, colour-wise. So this is the Molten Brown Relaxing Ylang Ylang, is that how you say that? Bath and shower gel, and this one is 100ml. I really like these. I used to hate the smell of them, and I say this every single time that I unbox a box that has Molten Brown in. I used to hate the smell of this when I worked in House of Fraser. They must have just had all the stanky, horrible scents, because all the ones that I've got on boxes, and when I've bought boxes, they've always smelled really nice. Like, that one smells really nice, so I don't understand what House of Fraser had going on. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that is everything that is in this month's box. I would love to know what you think down below. Do you think it's worth the money? Like I said, I do have a discount code and a link down below if you'd like to use that, and help to just support my channel that a little bit more. You don't have to, but if you do, thank you very much, because I really appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you in my other video very soon. I'm actually uploading twice tonight, so the night that you're seeing this, you'll be seeing this video at 5 o'clock. However, I'm also uploading another video at 9 p.m-ish, because I'm filming it the same day, but 9 p.m-ish I'm uploading another video, and the video is going to be the brand new I Heart Revolution chocolate tin palette review. I'm going to be doing a look on each eye using the brand new chocolate tin palette that came out today as well, so make sure that you come back later on today to watch that video, because it's going to be a really good one. If you're wondering what makeup I've got on today, it's actually from Monday's video testing the rest of the Simpsons and Revolution collection. So yeah, I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check out this makeup look and the crazy blue lashes that I've got on. But yeah, I'll see you later on today, 9 o'clock-ish UK time, for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you later on, you little sexy minx. Bye.